forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss questions based on properties of determinant. Question number 1. Using the properties of determinant and without expanding, prove that this equal to 0. So first write LHS, left hand side equal to x, y, z, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Now apply this property. C3 tends to C3 minus C2. Applying C3 tends to C3 minus C2. So write C1 and C2 as it is. This minus this. So x, this minus this, y plus b minus b. So y, z plus c minus c, z equal to 0. Why? Because column 1 and column 3 are identical. C1 equal to C3. If two rows or two columns are identical, then value of determinant is 0. We can solve this question by several methods, more than one method. C3 minus C1, then we get ABC, so column 2 equal to column 3. Or we can break this determinant, X, Y, Z, ABC. In first determinant write X, Y, Z, or second determinant write ABC. So there are several methods. Next problem. Using properties of determinant and without expanding, prove that this equal to 0. So again start from left hand side. LH is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. B minus C, C minus A minus B. C minus A minus B, B minus C. Now applying C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. When we add C1 plus C2 plus C3 means add corresponding elements of C1, C2 and C3 and write in place of column 1. When we add what happen? A minus B plus B minus C. A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. Now B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. C minus A plus A minus B plus B minus C. Sorry. Then write column 2. B minus C, C minus A minus B. Then write column 3. C minus A minus B, B minus C. A or A cancel, C or C cancel, B or B cancel, B or B cancel, A or A cancel, C or C cancel, C or C cancel, A or A cancel, and minus B or plus B cancel. So we get 0, 0, 0. B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C. If each element of any row or column is 0, then value of entire determinant is 0. Because when we are expanding along C1, then 0 into any number 0, then minus 0 into any number 0, then 0 into any number 0. So equal to 0. Next problem. Question number 3. Prove that this equal to 0. LHS equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. When value of determinant is 0, when two rows or columns are identical or proportional, or each element of any row or column is 0. Now there are so many numbers. These two are very smaller numbers in these two columns, and these are very larger numbers. First convert into a smaller number so we can compare identical or proportional. So for this, change C3. C3 tends to C3 माइनस, अब हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करके माइनस करेंगे नंबर स्मॉल हो जाए. अगर 1 से करेंगे 1 इंटू C2 देन 65 माइनस 7. अगर 2 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 65 माइनस 14, तब भी छोटा नहीं होगा. हिट एंड रन मेथड. 7 3 जा 21, 7 4 जा 28, 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा, so in this way 7 9 जा 63. So take 9 and change column 3. 2 3 5 7 8 or 9. अब now 65 minus 63, 9 into 7, so we get 2. 75 minus 9 8 is 72, so we get 3. 86 minus 9 9 is 81, means 5. And when we apply this operation, then we get column 1 equal to column 3. So is equal to 0, or in bracket write column 1 equal to column 3. Next problem. Prove this equal to this. So first write left hand side. Left hand side equal to 1 1 1 BC CA AB. A B plus C, B C plus A, C A plus B equal to, first simplify, BC CA AB, open the bracket, and always write in cyclic order AB BC and CA. So A into B, write AB. A into C, don't write AC, write CA. BC, don't write BA, write AB. CA plus BC. Now tell me your observation. In each column 2 and column 3, just compare AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. It means if we write in place of column 3, C3 plus C2, then what happened? 1 1 1 BC CA AB. Then we get AB plus BC plus CA everywhere in column 3. AB BC CA. AB BC CA. AB BC CA. अब taking common. Next problem. Using the properties of determinant and without expanding, prove that this is equal to this. So again start from LHS. LHS equal to B plus C, C plus A plus B, Q plus R plus P, P plus Q, Y plus Z, Z plus X plus Y. First see the RHS. In RHS 2 into something, 2 into any determinant. So first we want 2. How can we get 2? Just see. Applying R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. When we add R1, R2 and R3 and write in place of R1, then we get 2. B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. 2 times A, 2 times C or 2 times B. So 2 times A plus B plus C. Now when we add this and this, then 2 times P, 2 times Q and 2 times R. 2 times P plus Q plus R plus 2 times X plus Y plus Z. Now write R2 and R3 as it is. C plus A a plus b, r plus p, p plus q, z plus x, x plus y. Taking common 2, no need to write every time. Taking common factor 2 from C1, directly write to outside. A plus b plus c, p plus q plus r, x plus y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. Every time see right hand side. Now we have to find a, b and x in place of r1. आपको r1 के प्लेस पे apx, r2 के प्लेस पे bqy और r3 के प्लेस पे crz लाना है. और now just see observe. When we subtract this minus this, then we get only b, but here a is there. So now check r2. देखो r2 लावर हो गया bqy. This minus this, what happened? C plus a minus this, C minus C cancel, a minus a cancels, we get minus b. Next step, applying R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. We can apply more than one operation, but एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखनी कि R2 और R3 का अपन यूज कर चुके हैं पहले, तो R2 और R3 बाद में कहीं नहीं आना चाहिए. R2 यहाँ पे तो R2 बाद में कहीं नहीं दिखना चाहिए, और R3 यहाँ पे तो R3 बाद में कहीं नहीं होना चाहिए. अब now write R1 as it is. A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z. Now R2 minus R1, C plus A minus A, so A और A cancel, minus B और minus C, C और C cancel, we get minus B. This minus this, so we get minus Q, and this minus this we get minus Y. Now R3 minus R1, A plus B minus this, so we get minus C. This minus this, we get minus R, and this minus this, so we get minus Z, and 2 as it is. This 2 as it is. Next step, R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. When we apply this, what happened? This A plus B minus plus C minus B minus C, so we get A, P and X, minus B minus Q minus Y minus C minus R minus Z. Now taking common minus sign from R2, minus 1 from R2 and minus 1 from R3, so minus 1 whole square. A P X B Q Y C R J, and minus 1 is square plus 1, so A B C P Q R X Y J equal to right hand side. Next problem, question 6. Prove that this equal to 0. Just see in the equation, all diagonal elements are 0, and element of A12 place is equal to minus time element of 21 place, minus B plus B minus C plus C. Means this is determinant of skew symmetric matrix. So such type questions we can do in this way. Let this equal to del 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Next step means we have to show value of del equal to 0. Let del equal to this means we have to show del equal to 0. Now interchanging its row and column. If we interchange row and column of any determinant, then value of determinant remains same. Means determinant of matrix A is equal to determinant of transpose of matrix A. So 0A minus B, R in place of R1, write in place of column 1, 0A minus B. This is R2, write in place of column 2, minus A, 0 minus C, R3, BC0, BC0. After this, taking minus 1 from R1, minus 1 from R2 and minus 1 from R3, so minus 1 cube. So sign will be changed, 0 A minus B, minus A, 0 minus C, B C 0. So minus 1 cube means minus n, minus 1, and 0A minus B minus A 0 minus C again equal to del. So del equal to minus del. Send del that side, so 2 times del equal to 0. So del equal to 0, hence 2. Del means this quantity equal to 0. In next lecture, we will do more questions based on properties of determinant. Thank you. Have a nice day.